Want this Omino glitch transition in CapCut?
This is already over. You're almost dead because it's us for the dead.
Get your finished edit and export it in the highest settings possible. After it's done, go back to the project and add it as an overlay. Zoom it in to fit the screen. Now find the part where you want the effect and crop it there. Then add this overlay. It will be in my Discord along with all my other overlays. Zoom it in, then go to Splice and choose Filter. Make sure you adjust it so that when it's on the second clip, it's going forward. Now go to Effects and add the neon effect. Then object it to all videos and copy my keyframes and my settings. Add a keyframe right in between the two clips. Put intensity on 0 at the beginning of the effect. Use this graph. Now adjust the end part of the effect and put intensity on 0 at the end. Make sure the effect is behind everything in layers. Now get the edge glow effect. Put it on 55 or 60. Copy my keyframes and my settings. Now go to the overlay you added in the beginning and copy my steps. Put it in front of the neon effect. Now copy my opacity keyframes. Use this graph. Now get an adjustment layer and do what I do. Now go to the glitch overlay and copy my opacity keyframes. And you're done.